thought of today. Now, we all know micro is like macro, small or big. Creating my own Garden of Eden in micro is something you can see, and you can definitely see the difference. But if you do it in macro, I've been thinking about it. At the end of the day, yeah, if we succeed, if we can create heaven on earth and we succeed, then all the people in the middle who don't know what the difference is between heaven on earth and the problems we're living in on earth right now, they'll say, look, see, Colin, we were right all along. It all turned out good. which is the goal, which it should be. Now, if we don't succeed and it the shit really hits the fan and it hits hell on earth, then I don't want to say I told you so. So there's only one thing: buckle up and just accept the fact that no one will ever appreciate the work that we do, unless you're looking at our small micro gardens and you see the blooming. But even then, at the moment, you're only seeing small bits at a time. You gotta really look.